What's up, guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the GPT Creator Club before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the GPT Creator Club works. What is a GPT? A GPT is a custom-made tool built inside ChatGPT that can perform specific tasks like writing content, answering questions, generating ideas, or solving problems, based on how it's trained and prompted. Think of it like a mini-app built on top of a specialized tool rather than a general chatbot. What are the benefits of using a GPT? Whether someone is a business owner, creator, coach, or just needs help with everyday tasks, GPTs make life easier, faster, and more productive. Here's some examples showing how GPTs can be used. Saves time. GPTs can write content, answer questions, and complete tasks in seconds, so users don't have to start from scratch. Boosts productivity. They can help with writing emails, blog posts, social media captions, product ideas, and more, quickly and accurately. Easy to use. Anyone can chat with a GPT like they're messaging a friend. No learning curve, no special skills needed. Customized. Each GPT is built to do something specific, like help with product creation, business ideas, content writing, or affiliate marketing. Always available. A GPT doesn't sleep or take breaks. It's ready to help 24/7, whenever the user needs it. Affordable help. It's like having a virtual assistant, but without paying a full-time salary. As a GPT Creator Club member, you'll be the one providing these powerful AI tools, helping others save time, get results, and solve specific problems with ease. You're not just creating digital products. You're giving people real solutions they can use every day.